In this video, we are breaking down every single Turkish aircraft ever made. We're going from the early forgotten prototypes to the high-tech drones that every military on Earth is now trying to get their hands on. Let's dive in. First up, fighters and attack aircraft. Nu D-40 early passenger aircraft, bold step for Nuri Demirag, showed the world that domestic design was possible during the 30s, pioneering spirit. T129 ATAK, fierce attack helicopter known for high performance in hot and high conditions, has become a cornerstone of modern fire support operations. Hürkuş-C, armed variant of the primary trainer, provides close air support with precision and ease, versatile tool for the Air Force. T129 advanced trainer and light combat aircraft marking a giant leap forward. Designed to prepare pilots for the next generation of fighter jets. T929 ATAK-2, heavy-class attack helicopter designed to carry massive payloads. Offers incredible protection and firepower for the most demanding missions. T629, electric and unmanned attack helicopter representing the future of stealthy operations. Combines power with cutting-edge autonomous technology. T129, fifth-generation fighter, crown jewel of national engineering, brings stealth and advanced sensors to the forefront of the skies, ultimate achievement. Next up, military training aircraft. Vecihi K-VI, built by a true pioneer, very first aircraft designed and produced in the country, symbol of determination and courage, historic milestone, Nu D.36. Training aircraft built in the 30s, played a vital role in training the first generation of Turkish aviators. THK-2, single-engine aerobatic trainer known for sleek lines, proved that local factories could produce high-quality airframes successfully. THK-15, metal training aircraft showing evolution of manufacturing techniques, served as a reliable platform for student pilots learning the craft. MKEK-4 UGR, basic trainer, familiar sight for many years. Sturdy and forgiving plane that helped build the foundation of flight skills. Hürkuş-B variant packed with advanced avionics for pilot training. Bridges the gap between basic flight and high-tech combat systems. Hürkuş-2, upgraded version of the original trainer with improved capabilities. Ensures the training fleet stays modern and effective for decades to come. TH-11, training aircraft designed for pilot instruction. Provided essential flight training capabilities for developing skilled aviators, continuing with military transport and utility. THK-5, designed as an ambulance and light transport plane, served a crucial role connecting remote areas with medical care during the mid-century. THK-10, light transport aircraft demonstrating versatility, practical solution for moving people and goods across the country efficiently. T625 Gökbey, multi-role helicopter designed to perform in the toughest environments, serves both civilian and military needs with great reliability. T70, powerful utility helicopter based on a proven design, provides essential support for transport, search and rescue, and firefighting operations. T925, large transport helicopter built to move heavy loads with ease, offers a spacious cabin and high performance for strategic missions. Next up, military unmanned combat aerial vehicles. Bayraktar TB2, world-famous drone changing the face of modern warfare. Highly effective, reliable, and proven on many battlefields. Revolutionary platform. THK medium-altitude, long-endurance drone with satellite control. Provides constant surveillance and precision strike capabilities over vast distances. Vestel Carriel, tactical drone known for endurance and payload capacity. Carries advanced sensors to gather intelligence around the clock. T-Aksunger, twin-engine powerhouse capable of staying in the air for dozens of hours. Perfect for long-term maritime patrol and surveillance missions. Bayraktar Akinsay, high-tech combat drone with 2 engines and a massive weapons load. Acts like a flying command center with its advanced intelligence capabilities. Bayraktar TB3, designed with folding wings for use on aircraft carriers, brings powerful drone capabilities to the high seas for the first time. Anka-3, stealthy flying wing drone built for deep strike missions. Low visibility makes it nearly impossible for radar to detect. True Ghost, Bayraktar Kizilma, unmanned fighter jet representing the peak of modern aviation, combines high speed with stealth to dominate the air. Future of combat. Let's move on to military unmanned aerial vehicles, UAV. UAV-X1, early experimental drone paving the way for future success. Critical step in learning how to build autonomous systems. T-Marty, small surveillance drone used for short-range missions. Provided a simple and effective eye in the sky for ground forces. T-Pelican, training drone designed to help operators learn the ropes. Vital tool for building skills needed for larger systems. Baykus. Tactical surveillance drone with a focus on night operations, allowed steady monitoring when visibility was at its lowest. Bayraktar Mini UAV. Hand-launched drone that can be carried in a backpack. Gives soldiers on the ground instant reconnaissance at their fingertips. Bayraktar Malazgirt. Small robotic helicopter designed for vertical takeoff. Showed early innovation in rotary-wing unmanned flight development. T129 short-range tactical drone built for intelligence gathering, served as a reliable scout for many years in the field. T129 A initial prototype of the famous drone family. Laid the foundation for sophisticated surveillance systems used today worldwide. Bayraktar TB1, predecessor to the legend. This drone proved the concept of long-endurance flight, starting point for a global success story. T129B improved version of the early surveillance drone, featured better sensors and longer flight times to meet growing demands. Titra Alpin, unmanned helicopter capable of carrying heavy supplies to remote areas. Excellent logistics tool for difficult terrain operations. Hezarfen Baha, vertical takeoff drone designed for close-up navigation. Extremely flexible and can operate from almost any small clearing. Reshaping CGT-50, long-range tactical drone with vertical takeoff capability, combines the efficiency of a fixed-wing plane with the ease of a helicopter. Havelson Saka, tiny palm-sized drone meant for rapid deployment, provides immediate local awareness for small teams in the field. Bayraktar Kalkan, vertical takeoff surveillance system with high-precision cameras, designed to hover and track targets with incredible accuracy. Moving on to loitering munitions and target drones. THK, simple and cost-effective target drone used to train gunners and missile crews for decades across the country. Turna, medium-speed target drone with high maneuverability, mimics flight paths of real threats to provide realistic combat training. Shimshek, high-speed target drone also usable as a loitering munition. Fast, agile, and very difficult to intercept successfully. STM Kargu, rotary-wing loitering munition designed for precision strikes, can hunt for targets autonomously or be guided by an operator. STM Alpagu, fixed-wing kamikaze drone launchable from a tube, silent and deadly tool for surgical strikes on the battlefield. Lenitek Kargi, anti-radiation drone designed to destroy enemy radar systems. Can circle an area for a long time, waiting for a signal to appear. TITRA Delhi. Low-cost and effective kamikaze drone designed to be used in large numbers to overwhelm enemy defenses. Robert Azab. Long-range loitering munition with a delta-wing design. Can strike targets far behind enemy lines with great precision. Kemenkesh-1, smart cruise missile designed to be launched from drones. Adds long-distance punch to unmanned aerial platforms. STM Alpagut, advanced loitering munition that can work in swarms, coordinates with other drones to strike multiple targets at once. Kemenkesh-2, larger and more powerful version of the smart cruise missile, features an engine for longer range and a bigger warhead. Let's move on to military gliders. THK-1, early transport glider designed for military use. Showed focus on building air mobile capabilities during the mid-20th century. THK-3, single-seat glider used for pilot training. Simple and elegant way to teach the fundamentals of flight and aerodynamics. THK-4, primary training glider that was easy to fly. Helped many young students experience the joy of flight for the first time, ending with licensed military production. F-16 Fighting Falcon. Produced locally under license, this fighter is the backbone of the Air Force. Versatile and battle-proven multi-role jet. CN-235. Reliable light transport plane produced for various missions. Handles everything from cargo transport to maritime patrol with ease. SF-260. Sleek and agile trainer used for screening new pilots, known for excellent handling and classic design. A S-532 Cougar. Heavy-lift helicopter used for transport and search and rescue. Rugged machine operating in the most challenging weather conditions.